Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix your payment method was declined, update it or add a new payment method on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to add a payment method and you see an error like your payment method was declined, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to go to general. So in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that you have to simply go for your payment methods. So here you have to simply go for name or Apple ID here, and in name or Apple ID here you have to simply go for media and purchases, and you have to simply view account. So here you have to simply check for your payments and subscription, you have to check you do not have any kind of subscription left, or you do not have any subscription which has dependent payments on your previous payment method. So if you want to add a new payment method or you want to update the payment method, then you have to make sure that you do not have any pending payment left to the previous subscription or payment method. And after that, if you clear all the payment of the subscription, then you will be able to add a new payment method. And here you have to simply click on media and purchases, then you click on view account, and you have to go to manage payments, and you have to try to add or remove that payment method. And after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply contact the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. And moreover, you can also discuss it in the Apple discussion forum, so that Apple discussion forum community can help you in a better way, and they will tell you how they solve that kind of error. So in this way you can simply solve that error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.